Laser cut bag tag project part 4, design criteria. In this part we're going to figure out some design criteria that we're going to use to consider our project successful or not. So to figure out whether our project is a success or not. We're going to write them out neatly in large writing and try to ensure that the text fills the whole area of the form in good proportion. If you're working at school, you should be having this on paper. If you're working at home, you should have GEN01 on a PowerPoint presentation, and you'll use text boxes and different colors in order to try and lay out your 3 design criteria. If you look at the sample file, you can see that I have not actually written criteria, but I've written them as I would. I would have 1 criteria that focuses on function, that's how well it performs. I would have 1 criteria that focuses on form, that's what it looks like. And then I would have a criteria that focuses on the overall purpose, so how those 2 things work together. So criteria 1 and 2 work together. That's what I would do for this. And in order to establish the design criteria, you need to work through on that. Once you finish that, you need to realize that it actually is part of the generating feedback sheet, which is the green section of our project now, and it is not really part of this in terms of establishing a grade, but it is part of this in terms of you starting to meet your criteria. So your annotations, for example, need to start working back towards the established criteria that you're establishing in this section. I would like you to submit this to Bag Tag Generating, which is a new folder for the green electronic submission section. So if you're submitting this electronically, you need to put it in the green section. If not, you just put it in your folio pocket.